Okay, everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, today is our third class of GK, and I'm going to conduct a little quiz right now. Okay.
Okay. टीचर आप सबसे वन करके आस्क करेंगी.
Okay. I have copied a link in your chat room. Go in that link. Hurry up. You have only 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you won't be able to submit your quiz. Hurry up.
टीचर इधर लिखा हुआ है.
टीचर I have opened.
Yes. Open the link.
टीचर इधर तो लिखा हुआ है sign in continue to forms.
Yes, टीचर इधर लिखा हुआ है ask for access or switch to another account with access.
Give me 2 minutes then.
Miss done.
टीचर मैंने कर लिया.
टीचर हमारा नहीं हो रहा.
Yes, मिस.
आपका कभी भी कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा होता.
टीचर इसमें लिखा हुआ है ईमेल और फोन. मम्मा.
Okay, try. Can you click on the link now? Try, hurry up.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay, is it opening now?
Yes.
Okay. Kindly
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Kindly fill out the form. You have 5 minutes. Hurry up. Your time starts now. Hurry up.
Miss 2 seconds. ये पता नहीं क्या नहीं होगा. टीचर इधर आया ही नहीं.
टीचर इधर तो पता नहीं क्या लिखा हुआ आ रहा है.
क्या लिखा हुआ है?
जीके प्रैक्टिस क्विज.
हो गया.
लिखा हुआ.
मम्मा. मिस अगर ईमेल डालेंगे तो हैक तो नहीं होगा ना. अगर हम ईमेल डालेंगे हैक तो नहीं होगा.
I'm going to hack all of your accounts.
मैं छोड़ देता हूँ तो ईमेल को छोड़ दे.
Seriously, if you write your email, I'm going to hack your account.
मिस are you serious?
I don't have.
टीचर मेरा शुरू नहीं हो रहा. मिस मैं तो स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ.
Whoever will write. Okay, first of all, stop panicking. Stop panicking.
टीचर मेरी लिंक नहीं आ रही.
Why? I've given you the link in chat room. Go see from there.
क्या करें?
टीचर मेरी 6
मिस हो गया. वो मिस ने गाइड.
I will see how many of you have submitted it.
मेरे पासवर्ड क्या टीचर हमारा शेड्यूल
Miss, I have submitted.
मैं सबमिट कर दिया.
Teacher 6 out of 5.
मिस सारी हैं. सारी सही हैं.
I can actually check whether you have done right or wrong.
पे करना है, यूनिवर्सिटी पे करना है.
टीचर.
Yes.
टीचर हमने पासवर्ड लिखा है हमारा आ नहीं रहा.
क्या नहीं आ रहा बेटा?
जो आपने टेस्ट दिया है.
मेरा भी नहीं आ रहा.
मिस कंट्री चाइना और लैंग्वेज चाइनीज नहीं होगी.
मिस मेरा भी यही आ रहा है.
कंट्री चाइना लैंग्वेज चाइनीज फॉल्स.
टीचर मेरा भी यही लिखा हुआ है.
Exactly.
लिखा हुआ है ये बात करें.
I know.
मिस देखना अगर मैं सर्च कर लूं अब यही आएगा.
हमारे पास
टीचर जो स्कूल से हमारे पास आईडी आई है उस पे करना है क्या? मेरा अपना ईमेल एड्रेस भेजा.
खाओ मत पहले.
टीचर आप 2 मिनट्स वेट करें.
टीचर मुझे लिंक नहीं आई मेरे पास.
बेटा, it is in the chat room.
मुझे आपसे बात करनी है. मिस मुझे आपसे बात कहनी है. ये चीटिंग कर रही वो कंट्री चाइना और लैंग्वेज चाइनीज रॉन्ग है.
So
Yes, miss.
रॉन्ग है ये.
you
ये
have
wrong
to
है.
Yes,
to
miss.
use your brain, Umar. Okay, we have a brain for a reason.
मिस अगर आप सर्च भी करना यही आएगा, गारंटी बता दूं. कंट्री चाइना लैंग्वेज चाइनीज यही आएगी. चाइनीज दिखा.
Where is
ये दिखाता हूं.
yes, who is saying teacher? Tariq, have you submitted it?
टीचर हमारा स्टार्ट ही नहीं हो रहा.
Ali Ahmed.
यस
Ali Ahmed, everyone has submitted it.
Yes, teacher.
आई हैव सबमिटेड इट.
Okay, Ali Ahmed, what you can do is I'm going to show you the screen share. Okay, just write down the answer and show me in the screen right now. Okay.
ओके
मैं तो कर भी लिया और सबमिट भी कर लिया आपको. बहुत ज्यादा चीटिंग हो गई मेरे साथ. ये बात
Ali Ahmed, I'm doing this only for you. Hurry up.
ओके.
You have only 2 minutes.
मैं सबसे पहला फॉल्स है, फिर दूसरा ट्रू है, फिर तीसरा ट्रू है, फिर तीसरा
Deduct your 3 marks now. Omar, your 3 marks.
अच्छा
is
सॉरी
deducted.
अच्छा सॉरी.
No,
अच्छा,
they are
sorry.
deducted now.
सॉरी
इंडिया
मैं सॉरी.
There is no sorry.
मैं तो इट्स ओके. सॉरी.
Ali Ahmed, are you done?
नो टीचर 2 मिनट्स ओनली 2 मिनट्स.
Okay.
मैं हम लोग सच में हैक तो नहीं करेंगे ना?
बेटा जैसे मुझे अपने अभी ईमेल एड्रेस दिए, सबके अकाउंट हैक होंगे. फिकर नहीं करें आप लोग.
मिस हैकिंग के लिए ना पासवर्ड भी चाहिए होता है.
This is what I do. Okay, this is what I do. I collect email addresses and then I hack them. Okay.
मिस टेंशन नहीं, मेरे पास वैसे ही मेरा खुद का नहीं है. iCloud में इंफॉर्मेशन आ जाएगी. जब भी आप कुछ होगा डायरेक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन आ जाएगी. सबसे पहले
Have you completed it?
परमिशन लेनी पड़ेगी मुझसे.
Papa, are you done?
Yes, I am done.
Okay, I think Papa cannot hear me. Aisha Ilyas, are you done?
Yes.
किसी ने मैथ की क्लास ली थी?
Yes, I'm
किसी ने
listening.
मैथ की क्लास ली थी?
Yes, Papa.
क्या हम क्वेश्चन उतारे बगैर 1 2 3 आंसर्स लिख दें क्या?
Miss.
You have to write only answers.
Miss.
ओके.
Miss.
Yes, who is speaking?
Miss.
Yes.
मिस आप क्या, मैंने अभी क्लास अटेंड की है.
कौन है ये?
वर्क करवा रही है.
और एलिया
आप कंट्री चाइना की लैंग्वेज तो चाइनीज ही होगी, इसमें तो गलत लिखा हुआ है.
यही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ.
Who is Samara Farhan?
मिस हमाद.
यस टीचर.
Hamad, try to change your name.
मिस ये चीटिंग है. ये
ये तो गलत है यार.
लिखा हुआ आ रहा है
Beta,
चाइना और चाइनीज लैंग्वेज.
Beta, everything is cheating for you. Okay. Ali Ahmed, your time stops now.
मिस
Okay. So, first of all, what
जब
are
मैं
we going to do?
क्वेश्चन लिख रहा था तो मैंने 4 किए. प्लीज 1 मिनट मोर ओनली.
No, there is no such thing as 1 more minute. Okay. Now listen. What this quiz actually was, you could have read the heading. It was a practice quiz. It was a
Practice
quiz. And these types of quizzes are going to, I'm going to give you these type of quizzes and mark them next time. Okay. For now, I'm only going to tell you how many of you were wrong and how many of you were right. But these marks are not included anywhere. Is that clear? Okay.
Yes.
So, question number 1 was Ali Ahmed. Just submit your answer. Hurry up. Okay.
ओके.
Who's going to? No, because
ये कौन कर रहा है?
बेटा I can actually see कि ये कौन कर रहा है. You guys know that?
मिस कौन कर रहा है?
You guys
मैं तो
know
नहीं कर
that,
रहा
right?
वादा। मिस वादा मैं तो नहीं कर रहा।
Miss Mary
No, you won't be able to do it. Okay. Number 1. The country of India has a language Urdu. Is that true or false?
False.
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 What is their language?
हिंदी।
Hindi.
The language is Hindi.
Hindi.
Okay. The country Pakistan has a national language of Urdu. True or false?
Yes.
True. Yes, true.
Exactly true. The country Saudi Arabia has a language Arabic. True or false?
True. True. True.
Okay.
True.
The country China has a language Chinese. Do you think it is
True.
true? Okay. Now, there is no such thing as Chinese. There is no such thing as Chinese. Their national language is called as Mandarin. What is their language called?
Mandarin.
Mandarin. M-A-N-D-A-R-I-N. What is their language called?
मिस
Mandarin.
Okay. Agar, whenever someone say that, this person speak Chinese, so this sentence is wrong. There's no such thing as Chinese. Okay. Now, country Korea has a language of Hindi. True or false?
False.
मिस ये भी
And country Japan has a country
Japanese.
मिस एक बार आप सर्च करें वो चाइना की लैंग्वेज सर्च करें।
Are you questioning me that maybe I am wrong? Are you trying to say?
नहीं।
Yes, okay. So this was a revise. Okay, I'm going to give you a little revision of your last class. Okay, I think you all are very amazing. Okay, and all of you were very good. Okay, so up till now, what we have studied is that we have studied about continents. We have studied that a continent is a large mass of land. Okay, several large masses of land, and everything that is included in a country, that is included on a land of a continent, belongs to that continent. Okay, then we studied about the continent of Asia. Okay, what we read about that is there are 48 countries in Asia.
48.
Okay, the highest
And
mountain.
if you mix और अगर Mount Everest,
Exactly. The highest mountain and the second highest mountain both are found in Asia.
Asia.
K2. Okay. So, what is the actual name of K2? Who knows that?
Karakoram.
No.
Karakoram.
No.
Karakoram 2.
No.
Mount
Karakoram.
Everest.
बेटा Karakoram is a mountain range. Okay, कराकरम क्या है? कराकरम एक माउंटेन की रेंज है, इसके ऊपर डिफरेंट माउंटेन्स लाई करते हैं इस माउंटेन रेंज के ऊपर. कराकरम इज not a mountain himself. Okay, the second name of K2 is Godwin Austen. What is its name?
Oh yes. Godwin Austen.
Godwin Austen. Okay, you
टीचर
can
इनका नाम इसलिए यूं रखा गया था क्योंकि ये दो भाई थे, दोस्त थे, इन्होंने इस पहाड़ को ढूंढा था.
exactly. Okay, you can see over here the spelling that K2 is known as Godwin Austen.
Godwin Austen.
Exactly.
Teacher,
And
here.
Why K2 is called
and it was given the name K2. Why? Because it was the second highest peak. Okay, at that time, obviously Mount Everest was already found. Okay, and it was known as the highest mountain, the largest peak. So they gave it name as the K2, which means the second highest peak. Okay, now what we know is that
Mount Godwin Austen.
okay, okay, where are the most intelligent people found in the world?
In
Asia. Indonesia.
Indonesia, Singapore, Korea, China,
Japan और Hong Kong.
Japan and Hong Kong.
Okay, I think you all are getting fabulous day by day. You know things that I'm not even telling you, and that is very amazing. Okay, so you are absolutely right. The intelligent people, if someone asks you
मिस आपको पता है कि जापान ना हम लोग की टेक्नोलॉजी में 20 साल आ गया है।
Okay, and that is absolutely right. Okay, in Japan and in Korea, there are, you know, the technology is very advanced. Okay, like you know, the technology we see in movies, they have already got the technology over there, but sadly, Pakistan is way behind.
मीन्स उसमें तो ऐसा है कि अगर आप किसी मॉल पे जाओ ना, तो एक कोई चीज मिली हुई होगी, उसमें आप टैप करो कैसे कपड़े बनाने हैं एकदम, और पता नहीं ऐसे कपड़े पता नहीं कैसे बन के आ जाते हैं तो 2-3 दिनों में।
Okay, just answer my question right now. Okay, what kind of animals are found in Asia?
Panda, elephant, tiger,
red panda, cobra,
elephant,
Orangutans or
teacher, what is the question?
The question is what kind of animals are found in Asia, and all of you answered correctly that elephant,
cobra, giant panda.
Exactly. Tigers. Okay. All of these animals are found in Asia. Okay. Which desert is located in Asia? Which desert is found in Asia?
Speaker one.
And
Gobi Desert.
Gobi
Desert.
Which desert is found in Asia?
Gobi Desert.
Exactly. Where is the world largest lake found?
teacher in Africa, Nile River. Africa, Nile River. Nile Lake.
Okay. So now I need all of you.
Hello.
मिसी कौन सा है पे और इंडिया बंद कर दो।
Okay, so now I'm going to give you a little conclusion overall on Asia. Okay, if you have any question, you can unmute yourself. Otherwise, I want you to be muted, please. Okay, now I've told you many things about Asia. Is that there are 48 countries in Asia. Okay, and the most intelligent people are found in Asia. I've told you the animals that are found in Asia, the desert that is found in Asia. The highest mountain peaks, both K2 and Mount Everest, are found in Asia. Okay, up till now, you know 5 different countries and their languages also, which are found in Asia. Now, one by one, what you're going to do is that you are going to tell me 3 countries and 3 languages of Asian countries one by one. Okay, we are going to start with Aisha Ilyas. Hurry up, Aisha. Unmute yourself and tell me. Come on, Aisha, hurry up. No? Aisha, are you not telling me? Okay, fine. Let's start with Umar. Umar, hurry up. Umar, I cannot hear you. First, unmute yourself. Hurry up.
हाँ मैं अब सही है।
Okay.
मैं सबसे पहला है क्या कहते हैं पाकिस्तान का उर्दू क्या कहते हैं वियतनामीज।
Okay. Vietnam.
हाँ वियतनाम सॉरी
Exactly.
वियतनामीज और एक ये कह सकते हैं जापान में जापानीज।
Okay. I want only 3. Okay, Shamir. Hurry up. Your second.
भी कर सकता हूँ।
Thailand, Thai, Qatar, Arabic, and Turkish.
ये बहुत उल्टा कर लेगा था।
Okay.
Should I start?
Zainab, hurry up.
मिस वफा कह रही है क्या?
Yes.
Teacher, can I?
Yes, Zainab, I'm listening.
हेलो
Okay, Wafa.
मुझे
Your turn.
लगता है
Wafa, hurry up.
वफा Hey, Mr. Robocop.
चलो खेलना।
Iran, Persian, Saudi Arab, Arabic, Afghanistan, Afghani, India,
Okay. So I think
Bus.
all of you have done your work. Okay. And up till now, this
Teacher,
is how. Okay, Ali Ahmed.
टीचर
Teacher, what is question?
बांग्लादेश बांग्ला
Miss, can I tell?
सिंगापुर इंग्लिश
Bengali.
Okay.
Teacher, what is
Singapore.
question? Miss,
Okay.
can I?
Singapore में English.
Who's saying
Teacher, what is
right?
question?
The question is the homework which I gave you. Okay. So
Miss,
I think
homework
I don't
है?
have to elaborate
can
my
I
question.
tell?
Yes. Yes, Ahmad.
Next homework क्या है?
Miss, Japan, Japanese,
Miss मैं
Philippines,
कह चुका हूँ ये.
Filipino,
Miss, Japan में कह
Singapore
चुका हूँ
और
मैं.
Tamil.
Okay. Okay, so this is how we are going to wrap up the continent Asia. I hope there are no more problems for the continent Asia. Are there any? You can ask me right now.
नो
No.
Have you understood?
No. No.
Yes.
Okay.
Miss easy.
Okay.
Yes.
So I think up till now Asia the very easy. Okay.
Miss ये Aurelia है. ये Aurelia है.
Please, beta.
हवा चल रही है बेटा.
Okay, so what I want all of you to do is that we are going to start with Africa in our next class, okay? And your homework, there is no homework right now. What you need to do is that just revise your lecture, okay? And do remember that the national language of Chinese is
Mandarin.
Mandarin, okay? There is
Mandarin.
no
हाँ
such
ये.
thing as
Mandarin.
there is no such thing as Chinese. Is that clear?
Mandarin.
Okay.
Miss
So
दो सकते हैं.
help me with your attendance, and this is all, going to be all for today's class. And for next class we are going to start with Africa continent. So I hope that was all clear. Okay, now one by one tell me your attendance. So this was it for today's class, and I hope all of you have understood it. And Omar, your picture is very blurred.
Yes.
Okay, and your homework is that you have to revise whatever we have learned up till now. Okay, and there is no written homework for you right now. And in our next and in our next class we are going to start with the continent Africa. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So this was it for today's class. Hope to meet you tomorrow at the same time at 5:30. Stop asking me the timings again and again. The timings are fixed. Okay, every
Miss
day.
मैं तो नहीं आता. मैं तो नहीं करता.
Okay. So Allah Hafiz.
Miss वैसे.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
And have a good day and take your next class.
Allah Hafiz, miss.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
अल्लाह हाफिज
Okay. Bye bye.